Create Instagram puzzle feed like a pro without using Photoshop. Yes, in this video, I'm going to share you all the strategies on how to create them like this. Okay, so you can see here, I have already done this. Okay, you can basically see this is what we would be doing it, and this is how we would be placing it, right? So before understanding what exactly we will be doing it, I have to explain you the sizes when we are creating the puzzle feed. Okay, so you can see here the actual Instagram post size, which we usually consider is 1080 pixels divided into 1080 pixels, right? So this is what the Instagram post size is all about. So if we want to create a 3x1 grid, okay, so which is where we are multiplying 1080 into 3, okay, and by default anything which we are creating, because Instagram has 3 grids, right? So that is how we are dividing it, and each post will be of the same size of 1080. Okay, so now you would see here I'm multiplying it and I have done the sizes. Okay, so today in this tutorial I will be showing you 3x3, okay, and how to create them. So we are using this particular app which is called Canva. Okay, and what you need to do is you just need to click on create design. Okay, and you have to click on custom dimensions, and as I shared, we are doing 3x3, right? So we will be using this dimension 3240. Okay, 3240, and height is also same 3240 pixels. Okay, so now you would be finding, yes, I have this layout. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to create first the foundations. Okay, as what I have done here. Okay, when you are seeing here, okay, I have done the foundation. Okay, there's a lot of layers which I've used it, and then I have placed it in a different format. So now what we are going to do is we will lay a foundation. So for that we require a background, right? So what I basically do is I always go to the elements, and for the photo finish, okay, I take this as my grid, as to make my photo to have the photo finish look, and after that I just go and go and check with the photos. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I will just take some good photos which we have, okay, which is really good for our Instagram, uh, which we will be using it. So I just type something like happy girl or something like that so that we can use them. All these images can be used because when we are cropping it, right? So we will be using them. Something really cool. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll use this. Okay, and I just wanted to place it so that, yes. Okay, and above this what I wanted to do is I just wanted to add some layers. Okay, just write something over there. Okay, so what I do is I'll just go and type in whatever I like it. Okay, so if you are into a pro free version, you would see these particular fonts which is like pretty cool. You can use any of the fonts which you like in, right? So okay, just for this test purpose, I will be using this. You can be really creative and use it. Okay. Just for our design to overlook, I'm not liking this. Okay. Sorry. You can see here I'm placing so that when we are cutting it, right, there should be something so that I can show you how it looks. And also we can add various layers to make our design look more creative. Okay, so I use a lot of other things as a layers. So, sorry. Yeah, I just wanted to layer it so that it looks more like a dramatic. Okay, so you can see here I'm positioning it back, or if you wanted a forward, and you can change the colors you wanted. You see this? And after that, we can bring in into a transparency so the design look really cool. Okay, so this is how we can play with the designs. You can be really very creative of doing it. I'm just wanted to show you guys how it will look. Okay, so now once we have this design, what we need to do is we just need to download them. Okay, you have to download them in the format of PNG. Okay, and just you have to download them. That's it. This is the first step which you will be doing it. And now once we download them, okay, we would be uploading the same thing inside this Canva and using it when we'll be designing our 3 by 3 images over here. Okay, so you just need to have patience for sure. You just need to have patience for sure to doing it. But once you do it, it is really very very easy of to do this. Okay, so now you would be saying is, okay, I'm uploading this particular design what we have created here. Okay, and next going to create 3 by 3 grid. So first thing which you need to do is once you have created all your designs, okay, and that is the first step, and then you have to go is grid. Okay, and you have to select 3 by 3 grid. Okay, so you have to go and scroll which has the equal 3 by 3 grid. Okay, you would see here this is a grid which I am talking about. Okay, so now you can see here we already have this grid. Okay, so now the first thing which we will be doing is we will be filling each the complete design over this grid. So how to do it, I'll be showing you now. Okay, so now you would be seeing it. I'm just clicking on this one grid, okay, and pulling it over here. Can you see this? Right? And now I'm double clicking it so that I can resize it. Can you see that? Okay, it's done. And now you have to do the same process for all the 9 grids. I know it is super time consuming, but still you need to do it. Okay. You have to double click. Okay. So that we can resize them. Okay. And next you are filling, you're doing the same thing. This is one of the easiest way of doing the Instagram grid. Make sure you're resizing it in an appropriate way so that, okay, you just have to double click it. As simple as that. And the images which you create, it's completely on you, how creative you are. But simple images also can outstand if you're doing it really very creative. Okay. Super cool, right? So now once we have done this, you can see here it's something same. Okay. I just want to show you where you can compare both of the designs over here. Okay, they both are the same, right? So what you need to do is you just need to download this image. You just need to download it as it is, same at the PNG. Okay, and you just have to download the second design. What you have done it. Okay, so once you download them, what you need to do, the next step, that is most important, right? You need to split cut it, right? So for that, what you need to do is you just need to go to on Google, you have to type in Pine split image, right? Pine tools split image. So this is the tool which you need to go in. I think it's super annoying because it's slow. Okay, so once you download this, you just need to go over there. Okay, I'll be showing you in a while. Okay, all right. So meanwhile it is getting here, what you need to do is you just need to upload the file over here. Okay, and as we are splitting it both horizontally and vertically, okay, with the grids, you can see here we are splitting both horizontal ways and the vertical ways. Okay, and if you're doing by 3 by 1, so you only have to split horizontal, and remaining you have to split with horizontal and vertical. Okay, so this is the basic science behind. So we would be selecting both. So we just wanted to have that particular designs which we have created, so that I can show you how it get chopped up. So it's super slow. Okay, okay, fine. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for being it's super slow, but still I just wanted to show you how you basically cut it into that tool which is called Pine Tool Split Image. Online it's a free of cost which you can cut it. Okay, and you can see here this is what the website is called, which is called Pine Tools, pinetools.com/split image. Right below this video you would find in each and everything, whatever tool I will be using it, everything is inside this video, so you can check it. Okay, and here what you need to do is you just need to choose the file. Okay, so I will just upload it over here. You can see here, and I wanted it to cut it on both. Okay, and you can go with your output any of your format, either JPG or PNG. I usually prefer PNG, and after that I just click on this. And what is the quantity of the blocks? It is 3 by 3. Okay, so you are splitting both. Okay, and after that what you need to do is you just need to click on split image. So once you do that, you can see here you get all this information, right? Row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. Can you see here? Row 1, column 1. So basically this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is what the numbers will look like. Okay, it usually go from here to there. So this is 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So once what you need to do is you just need to download each of them and upload it onto your Instagram. So this is how you basically create this Instagram grid template puzzle feed. So if you like this video, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so that you get notified, because I create videos on Canva tutorials and on digital marketing. Thank you so much for watching.